outside to dry. Still haven't got a towel rail up at the moment. Is that set yet? Oops, that's looks like it needs more. Here needs sanding. It's going to be another day where I'm not going to get much done, isn't it? I'm going for a walk in a couple of hours, and then I'm going into Betws Y Coed for drinks and pizza. I can't stay here all the time. I say that like I say. I did I think 2.5 hours work on the house yesterday. And I have to edit these. It takes time, you know. Actually, I spend longer editing these than I do on any housework. Just housework's boring. I had plans for this weekend. I was gonna make a bolognese and do the bathroom. Instead, I drank yesterday, and I'm going for a pizza and drinking again today. Plus I'm going for a walk with another friend. And now my carrot is looking sorry for itself. And it's not even going to get used, is it? Reminds me of another thing that kind of looks like this. It's not as orange. That's not getting used either. What the hell am I talking about? I'm talking about my penis, but why am I talking about it? Oh look, it's my Butlins wristband. 90s reloaded. This place is still a tip. Look, I'm a slob, right? I'm not gonna change anytime soon. I will clear this place. By 2024, this will be tidy, and there might even be a sofa in here, if I've got any money left, which is looking very doubtful. Oh, by the way, look what came in the post! Presented to Chids Vids for passing 400 subscribers. It only took me 13 years. Queues of people heading up Snowdon. Good luck guys, good luck getting to the top and actually getting a decent photo. Queuing for about half an hour to get a photo of you at the top. Good luck. Good luck guys. Alright, I just dropped Chris off back at the care home. Sorry Chris, I'm only joking. Gonna go grab a taco burrito over there. Only 11:15 and Llanberis is like heaving with tourists already. There's I think it's a burrito place here. Yeah, burritos. I'm gonna go grab one for breakfast. If they do a breakfast one, that is, I don't even know. I've got a pork burrito and a lemon San Pellegrino. I've just seen a jalapeno sticking out. My bumhole hasn't even recovered from last night's pizza yet. I've got to change up my diet. It's quite good. Pork, sour cream, refried beans, bit of salad, jalapenos. A lot going on in this. Oh, we're going to eat pizza. Where, which way are we going?
The bus stop.
Oh. Isn't there a bus stop over there?
Yeah, there's one there.
Alright. We're going to eat pizza. Put your heart in the bin. Remember when double-deckers had those like viewer things and a mirror so they could see the whole bus? Gone are those days. It's probably all Wi-Fi and computers and everything. No. Feels like we're squashing everybody. Look. Let's get run over like in GTA. money back if you run over prostitutes. Run over these old people now.
Oh no, Leicester's calling me.
In the meantime, I think I'll have an anytime. It's beer o'clock somewhere, isn't it? It's beer o'clock somewhere. Steve, it's beer o'clock somewhere, yeah? Which one's Cleve Golf? That way?
Yeah, I'll go off.
I never remember, I've only done it once. They used to film Top Gear here. There's a road, there's a views here. Top Gear, yeah. Betws Y Coed in Cambria, or whatever that band's called. When's the last bus?
Half set.
Okay, driver.
Okay, mate.
Bye bye, driver. Bye bye. Oh, we're going to eat pizza. Oh, in Betws Y Coed. Let's see, what tourism things can we do? I had that burrito like 2 hours ago and now I'm having pizza. I'm full. I might just get some cannolis instead.
You want menu?
Yeah, good question. Yeah? Yeah.
Yeah.
Menu. Looks like somebody did not heed the warning. Please do not sit on me. It's got a big crack in it. The Notebook. From The Notebook. Champagne. Is that nice?
Try it.
Champagne. Wordplay. I do love a bit of wordplay. Glug, glug, glug.
Did you order food?
Nope, showing some restraint. I just got 2 cannolis. Vanilla and pistachio. It's got balloons on it. Oh, he's having a party. 70th birthday party. Oh, now that's cool. It's the old Crossville bus. If you ever wondered what humps was in Welsh, it's Twmpathae. Twmpathae. Not as out of order as I am. Let's get more beers. Steve spent 100 pennies on peeing already. Second piss. Maybe they'll get a discount for coming here again. It's like you literally just here. Do you remember me mentioning in one of my videos that I'd never seen a booth in a toilet?
Oh yeah.
There's another one here. So they are a thing. I never knew they were a thing. I apologise. Take it back. There was a Scouser just now, a Scouser woman. She didn't have any change. She didn't realise you had to pay. She went to the booth. So, oh, you have to pay? I said, have you got any change? She's like, no. For sake. Doesn't look happy, does he? For sake. Got any change? No. For sake. For sake. Where's my post for fuck's sake? Wibbly Wobbly Bridge is still closed. It's the Wibbly Wobbly Bridge. Still closed. Oh, for fuck's sake. She was reading a book in there on a Kindle. Fossil fuel coffee milk stout. We're gonna go sit on the lake. Not on the lake, on the rocks. You know, like, put our feet in the lake. And go sit over there. Or over there. It's the moment of truth. Yeah. That's cold. I can't not go in there. I have to go in there. That water is so cold though. There we go. Hello. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? I think that goes two ways. That's like bat shit or something. Look at the calcified. Look at that, all the minerals and shit. I wonder if I'd live forever if I ate one of those. Anyway, that's enough of that shit. Pretty sure I've got sunburn from sitting here. I've been showing off a bit of skin to the sun to get some vitamin D. It's been pretty nice. It's probably the nicest day we've had so far. So it looks like I'm gonna have to pay 50p for a piss. She does give change, but she doesn't wash. She washes the toilets and doesn't wash her hands, apparently. So, oh, the toilet's over there, isn't it? Fuck's sake, we're too far away. Honestly, these guys have to wear so many clothes. I don't know why the fuck they bother. Motorcyclists, like, seriously, what the fuck? Too many clothes in hot weather. I don't get it. Can I pay for one pizza, please? Sorry. There you go. Thank you. Jesus Christ, it smells like bell ends in here. 50p I pay for this. You see it? What the fuck does that even say? Notice that this... That is so grubby. I don't know if that used to be a sticker that was on there. It feels like it used to be a sticker that was on there. Fluff. Jesus Christ. Make it easier for me to break stuff, why don't you? Oh, there's a flag stuck in the shit. Got some olives and some dessert, I guess. Olives and stuffed peppers. I could have got a pizza or gone to there and got like a pie or something, but no. I want antipasti. We're heading home. It was a great day. It's the ugly house. See his. Fucking move out of the way. You don't know what they're doing, really, don't you? Look at that view. Look at that view. Run her over. Look at that view. Run her over. Look at that view. No. Look through the phone. Mixed kebab with onion bhaji. Nom. Nom nom. Just walking home and getting proper download festival vibes. All these people camping. Just got home. It's like 11:30. I got some parcels. Wellies. Which can go in the download festival pile. And radiator paint. Sorry, I've got a earbud in my mouth. Radiator paint. So I can finish painting that radiator. That can go there. The wellies can go here. The download pile. The download pile's getting bigger. This entire house is a fucking mess. I've got half a kebab in here that I should put in the fridge before I go to bed.